Zebras. When you picture them, what comes to mind first? Those striking black and white stripes, right? But what if I told you those famous stripes serve a purpose beyond just looking cool? Each zebra's stripes are totally unique, like human fingerprints. No two are exactly the same. Scientists believe these patterns might help zebras recognize each other in the wild. Imagine walking into a crowd and knowing exactly who's who based on their stripe ID. But that's not all. Those stripes are actually a survival tool. When zebras gather in groups, their stripes create an optical illusion, confusing predators like lions or cheetahs. From a distance, a herd of zebras can look like one big blurry mass, making it hard for predators to focus on a single target. That confusion can be the difference between life and death. Here's another interesting fact. Those stripes aren't just for confusing predators. They help with pest control, too. Scientists have discovered that the way light bounces off zebra stripes actually repels flies, like horseflies and tsetse flies. These insects are notorious for spreading diseases. So for zebras, stripes are like having natural insect repellent built right in. Now, let's talk about speed. Zebras are fast, really fast. They can run up to 40 miles per hour, which is about the speed of a car in the city. But here's the catch. They don't just run in a straight line. When they're being chased, they zigzag, making it even harder for predators to catch them. It's like watching an athlete dodge through defenders during a game. Quick, unpredictable, and clever. But zebras aren't just athletic, they're social too. They live in groups called harems, which are led by a single stallion. A typical harem is made up of one male and several females with their young. These family units stick together, with the stallion protecting the group and the females looking after their offspring. It's all about teamwork. And zebras are great communicators. They may not have words, but they use body language to send clear messages. Their ears, for example, speak volumes. When they're calm or curious, their ears point forward. But if they're angry or feel threatened, those ears go flat against their head. There are three main species of zebra: the mountain zebra, and the endangered Grevy's zebra. Each species has slightly different characteristics. The plains zebra is the most common, while the Grevy's zebra is larger with thinner stripes and is native to arid regions. Mountain zebras, as the name suggests, are adapted to live in rugged, mountainous terrains, but all of them share that unmistakable striped look. And here's something you might not know. Zebras have amazing memories. They can remember migration routes, watering holes, and safe paths even over long distances. This is crucial for survival, especially when navigating Africa's unpredictable landscapes. You might think zebras are quiet, but they're actually pretty vocal. They use a variety of sounds to communicate, like high-pitched barks, brays, and squeals. These sounds help them stay in touch with each other, especially when they sense danger. Imagine a zebra herd sending out a bray, kind of like a warning siren, telling everyone it's time to get moving. And finally, let's talk about hybrids. Zebras can actually interbreed with other members of the horse family, like donkeys and horses, producing hybrids like zonkies and zorses. These hybrids inherit traits from both parents, but tend to look more like zebras with those distinctive stripes. It's nature's way of mixing things up. So, whether it's their unique stripes, their speed, or their strong social bonds, zebras are truly one of nature's most fascinating creatures. Next time you see one, remember, it's not just their looks that make them special, but the incredible ways they've adapted to survive and thrive in the wild. This version maintains a steady, engaging flow with interesting